Tes tes. Ya, oke. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to presentate my IT tutorial 2, that is Introduction to Codular. Make your own apps and no code needed. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Kaskar Sendria, and you can call me Kaska. I'm from 9th grade, especially 9E. So, directly to the presentation. So what is no code? So before with code, you must write a complex text like syntax, example, and there is a specific coding language that have a different syntax like Python, Java. It's difficult, and if you want to learn it like from zero, it takes a long time, not like just a 1 day or 2 days. But now with no code, you are using a visual block, so it's like you are creating your own puzzle and you're creating your own blocks that you want, and it's like a building with Lego. And yeah, imagine like how you can create something by only building Legos, and it is easy and it's fast. You don't need to deep understanding it. It's just like you can create it with your logic. Okay, next. So what is Codular? So basically Codular is only a 5 point, a 5 simple point. The first thing is like Codular is a free tool. What is Codular? Codular is a free tool that can help you to create any application by using a block like this. As you can see, this is not that complex. By using a code, by using a syntax, by writing a text, it's more simple. But because it's simple, it's only can create basic to medium functionality of application. And yeah, Coder it's help you to build Android apps. You didn't need to write any code. You build apps by dragging and dropping blocks, and it is perfect for beginners, students, and new ideas. Yeah, so uh, the fourth point of what is Codular is build apps by dragging and dropping blocks. Yes. So how you creating this block? All you need to do is like by drag and drop and like connect it. So yeah, basically it's like a total puzzle. Yeah. And because of that simplicity, Codular is perfect for beginners and even student, like example for elementary or junior high school, and for the one that has new ideas and want to make the prototype. And yeah, Codeler is very helping, yeah, because I'm using Codeler for my 9th grade project, and yeah, for me and for my opinion, yeah, Codeler it's very good for learning a basic of application development, yeah, and it's very good to build a simple app but a useful app. Example like calculator, later I will show you. And yeah, Codeler is a free tool, but it has the premium version to unlock more space. Yeah, so because it's a free tool, of course there is a limitation, and the limitation is like you cannot create many application, but you can create, but there is a maximum, and for the file size there is a maximum limit, but you can help with that because we are only creating a simple application. Yeah, okay, so next, yeah. So what can you do? What can you do in Codular? Yeah, Codular is drag and drop, build your app like a puzzle, see your change live. Yeah, so in Codular you can see the change real time, not like by using syntax coding. It's need to run and pause. If you want to change the code, run and pause. Yeah, it's lazy. And in Codelar there is many component. So basically there is for the designing we call the block is component, but for coding we called it blocks. So component is for designing the UI, the user interface of the application. And yeah, you can try a real-time test. So basically you can use your phone to see how the result, and you can change it anytime because it's a very good for a beginner, and it's not that complex. So imagine like you are using your phone, and you can change the UI directly in your laptop, and you can see the change in your phone real time. Not no need to pause, no need to run again. Yeah. So that's why Codular is easy to use. And actually you can earn money from your app that created from Codular, and Codular has take 0% commission. Codular is helps you make money. You can put ads in your app using AdMob, Unity Ads, and more. Yeah, and Codular takes 0% of the commission on many networks, and is it all yours. So like example, like if you're creating app and if you want to publish and get the money, you can, because Codular is helping you. You can use the ads provider like AdMob and Unity Ads to get the money from the ads, yeah. And Codular doesn't cut any of the dollar that you've generated by showing the ads to the user. Okay, so next. Yeah, so the next is, yeah, you can connect to internet and you can store data online, yeah. So in Codular you can use powerful tools like Firebase to build chat apps, social media, or even online store. Your app can save and read data easily. Yeah, so Codular has a integration to the Firebase, so you can access your database easily, and the application can save and read the data easily. Okay, so how it works? So Codular has the two parts, that is the designer and the blocks. So the designer is like, this is what your app looks like. I mean, like, and you add a button, image, and text, and this is what we call UI, or user interface. And the second is the blocks, and this is what your app does. So you set the logic when the button is click, do this. Yeah, so that's why it's the blocks. And we are coding in Codular is using blocks, but we are designing in Codular by drag and drop. Okay, next, yeah. So this is an example when you're creating an app. Yeah, so basically you, step one, you do a design, drag one button, you put in the screen example, and you can drag one label is for text. Example, you want to the text is hello, and after that, when the button is click, when the button that you design is click, and the last step is set a label to text hello world. So this means is like, say to the app, so set the label text to hello world. Okay, so yeah, maybe you are asking who uses Codular. So mostly who use Codular is 40% is student, and 30% of the Codular user is beginners, and 20% is small business, and the 10% is teachers. Yeah, but Codular is for everyone who has an idea but doesn't know how to code. Yeah, so code is very complex, and you can turn your ideas into mobile apps by using Codular. Okay, so this is the summary for the good and bad. So Codular is fast, easy, free, and there is no money. There is no any money cost, and there is no any money get cut if you generate an ads. Yeah, so fast, you can build apps in hours, and not like the others complex coding that takes months of building application. And Codular is easy to use, no code need, just drag and drop for design, and connect block by block for coding. And Codular is free, mostly free. Your Codular is free to start and build, so you can start and build application right now, and it doesn't take any dollar from your pocket. And Codular, you can get money from Codular by adding advertisement in your application. But the minus is Codelar is only support for Android. You cannot make apps for iPhone or iOS, and Codelar is not that flexible because the size is big and complex apps are still better with code. Yeah, so Codelar is only for a basic feature app, not for like the complex apps, example like Instagram or maybe the others. Okay, so the last thing I wanna show you is my my best to project in Codelar dari kalkulator. Yeah, so this is the example screen of the design. This is where you design things. As you can see, this is my calculator UI design. And if you want to go to code, you can, from the designer in here, you can click the blocks. Yeah, so this is where you code the screen. Every screen has its own code, So this is like for the circle. As you can see, this is for the calculator, for the normal calculator. Okay, yeah, I think that's all about the Codelar application. And if there is no question, I'm sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.